Just wanted to show you, in case your glow plug on your Kioti tractor isn't working, the glow plug light, check this middle relay. That's what mine was. Of course, also, you know, check your fuses right here, make sure it's not blown. But I bought these relays off of Amazon. There's 10 of them in there for like $15. And it's the 4-plug like that. But again, if your glow plug light is not working on your dash, which means your glow plugs aren't heating up, mine wouldn't start in the cold. Ordered that, changed it out, now it's working. So I just wanted to show you a easy fix. But I appreciate you watching, and you all take care.